Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Kavita Ashok Educational and Motivational Channel. Today we are continuing the permutation combinations class. Okay, this is the fifth part. If you want to listen the remaining classes, subscribe our channel and follow first, second, third and fourth parts. Now, today we are discussing an important question, 2 marks question. We may expect this for 2021 annual exam. How they will give this question and how to solve, now we will discuss. What is given here? Prove that NPR is equal to N minus 1 PR plus R into N minus 1 PR minus 1. This is one of the important formula for NPR. We discussed so many formulas for NPR. This is one of the important formula. First we will prove, later we will discuss where we will apply and how they will ask the question. Right. First take the RHS part. What he is given here? N minus 1 PR plus R into N minus 1 PR minus 1. Right. According to the formula of NPR, NPR means what? N factorial by N minus R factorial. This is NPR. So now, according to that form, this will becomes here N minus 1 factorial by N minus 1 minus R factorial plus R into, and this will be N minus 1 factorial by N minus 1 minus R minus 1 factorial. Now, in the numerator, N minus 1 factorial is common. Right. 1 by, here we can write this as N minus R minus 1 factorial. No problem for that here. Plus here R will be remaining R by minus 1 minus or minus plus. These two get cancelled. Then we can get N minus R factorial. Now we already know N minus R factorial can be written as N minus R into N minus R minus 1 factorial. So, in these two, already this term contains N minus R minus 1 factorial. So, that's why the LCM will become N minus R factorial. So, now N minus 1 factorial, and simply we will take in these two, highest is this one. This term contains this one also, the LCM will be this one. So, instead of writing N minus R factorial, we can write like this now. So, I am taking like this, N minus R into N minus R minus 1 factorial, instead of N minus R factorial. Right. Now, N minus R minus 1 factorial is already there. Now, we can get N minus R here. Plus, already N minus R factorial is means the total term is there. That's why we can get simply R. R, if you have any doubt, just write down like this only, no problem for that. In these two, highest is N minus R factorial, take N minus R factorial. Already N minus R minus 1 factorial is there, that's why a remaining term, N minus R term we are writing here, plus N minus R factorial is already there, that's why we are writing R here. Now, plus R minus R get cancelled. Then automatically what we can get here? N is here, into, here N minus 1 factorial is there, by, and here N minus R factorial. We already know 6 factorial is nothing but 6 into 5 factorial. If 6 into 5 factorial is there, we can write 6 factorial. In the same manner, N into N minus 1 factorial in the sense here, simply we can write this is N factorial. N into N minus 1 factorial is nothing but N factorial by N minus R factorial. We already know N factorial by N minus R factorial is nothing but NPR. So simply we will write NPR. This is our LHS part. Look at here now. NPR is equal to N minus 1 PR plus R into N minus 1 PR minus 1. If the problem is given in the exam, we will solve like this here. But in exams, indirectly they are asking the question. So they will give the question like this. What is given here? 12P5 plus 5 into 12P4 is equal to 13PR. Look at here now. 12P5. This is nothing but NPR plus R into N minus 1 PR minus 1 is equal to, what is given? According to the formula NPR, right, to get here. This is what? N minus 1 PR, sorry, N minus 1 PR, this one. So compare that 12p5 plus r means 5 into 12p4 is equal to 13pr. Once look at here, when you compare these two, what is the value of r? R is equal to 5. Simply we can write the formula and compare the terms and write the answer, r is equal to 5. So this will give us 2 marks, right? So when the problem is given, we will solve this one. But when we want to apply this problem to solve the remaining theoretical problems, directly if we know this one, we can't solve. We have to know the theory part, what is the secret behind that formula. Now we will discuss that. This theoretical explanation is only for solving the theoretical problems. In the annual exam, no need to use this form. Remember, okay? Listen carefully. First, NPR, we already explained. NPR means what? R blank places are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. R blank places are there. We have n dissimilar things. By using these n dissimilar things, we have to fill R blank places. According to the definition, the number of ways of filling R blank places by using n dissimilar things is nothing but NPR. So simply this will be NPR. This is our LHS part. NPR. The number of ways of filling R blank places by using n dissimilar things. Simple. I will give an example. Suppose A comma B comma C, 3 persons are there, 3 places are there. Suppose A may sit here, A may sit here, A may sit here. Okay, B for the same B for the same C. So 3 numbers, 3 places. How many ways they can sit in the sense? 3p, 3 ways. If 4 members are there, only 3 places, 4p, 3 places. Means number of ways of filling 3 blank places by using 4 dissimilar things. In the same manner, this is NPR, right? Only for the theoretical part. So no need to write in the exam, right? Go for the RHS part, right? In the RHS, this part, okay? Here, suppose n members are there, okay? We arranged a meeting for them. There are R number of seats are there. We invited n members. When we invited, definitely one guest is there in that. That guest may be X. We are taking X. So how we are arranging in the sense here? First we will take R seats. Okay. R seats are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. R seats are there. Okay. Suppose the guest may absent. The guest may absent. So then how many members are there? N minus 1 members. How many chairs are there? R chairs. How many ways we can fill up? Right. How many ways we can fill up? Simple, according to the form. N minus 1 PR ways. This is one way. Okay. This is some arrangement. This is not the complete arrangement. Again, same R seats are there here. 1, 2, 3, so on. R seats are there. If suppose that particular guest X is present, so when the guest is present, definitely we will give the important for him. Wherever he want to sit, he can sit. Okay, he wants to sit, he can sit. So for him, how many places are there to sit? 1, 2, 3, so on. R places are there. He has R number of choices, but he will sit only one place. How many ways he can sit? Suppose he is sitting here. So how many ways? RP1 ways. In that R places, he may sit here, he may sit here, he may sit here. So how many choices are there? R choices. Only one member is there. RP1 ways we can put. Right. Now this place is filled. Now how many places are there? R minus 1 blank places. How many members are there remaining? N minus 1 members. How many ways we can fill up them? Same, N minus 1 P R minus 1, because R minus 1 blank places are there, N minus 1 members are there, we can put in N minus 1 P R minus 1, right? So the total, in this total, what we concluded? So we arranged n elements in R blank places. Same NPR. So that's why LHS is equal to RHS. So now finally N minus 1 PR plus, according to the form, RP1 into N minus 1 PR minus 1. This is a fundamental principle. The first work can be performed in M ways, the second work can be performed in N ways. Two works simultaneously can be performed in M into N ways, according to that one. So finally, what is our conclusion? N minus 1 PR plus R into RP1 is nothing but R. N minus 1 PR minus 1. Once look at it now. NPR is equal to N minus 1 PR plus R into N minus 1 PR minus 1. Like this we can solve. So by using this concept, we will solve one problem, important problem, that is also very important for 2 marks question now. Right. Now we will discuss this problem. Very important question. So many times they asked in this annual exam. So find the number of 4-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word mixture. What is the word given? Mixture. Which contain the letter X, do not contain the letter X. Previously we explained the important person. So this here in this problem the important guest is X here. So by using X we will solve. Right. First find the number of 4-letter words. First mixture is there. MIXTURE. So N is equal to number of letters. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What we want? 4-letter word. So R value will be 4. So number of 4-letter words is equal to 4 blank places and 7 letters. So 4 blank places, 7 letters. How many ways we can fill up? 7p4 ways. So we can get 7p4 number of 4-letter words. 7p4 in the sense here 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. Why? Because we will start with 7, 4 in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4. Adjacent numbers we have to write. 5 4 are 20, 120, 840. So total 840 4-letter words we can write. Okay. But the question is here, using the letters of the word mixture, which contain the letter X. Now we will start our first problem. What is it? Contain the letter X. Right. 4 places are, sorry, how many places are there? 4-letter word means 4 places. Right. In this 4-letter word, what he says here, contain the letter X. Definitely X may present. So we will give one place for X. So X may sit here, may sit here, may sit here, may sit here. Remember, whenever number of members are more to the number of blank places, we will take that number of persons will be N. Whenever we are filling less members in the large number of boxes, here 4 members are there, only 1 letter is there. Here dominated is blank places, then the blank places will become N. Okay. According to the situation that will change. Now 4 blank places are there, 1 letter is there. How many ways we can fill up? 4p1 ways. So I am taking X may here. How many ways are there? 4p1 ways we can arrange. Okay. It may be here, maybe here, maybe here, but one of that arrangement we are taking, right? 4p1 ways. Now how many places are there? 3 places. How many letters are there? Out of 7, 1 is filled in the sense here 6 letters are there. 6 numbers are there. So 3 places. How many ways we can fill up? 6p3 ways. By fundamental principle, the first work can be performed in M ways, the second work can be performed in N ways. 2 works simultaneously can be performed in M into N ways. So our answer will be 4p1 into 6p3. So 4p1 is 4 here. 6p3 in the sense 6 into 5 into 4. Up to 3 na? 1, 2, 3. So 5 4 are 20, 120, 480. Out of 840, 480 words which contain the letter X. Is it clear now, sir? Easy. Now, in the second one, do not contain the letter X. Means same 4 blank places, but in this same 4 blank places we will not allow X. So except X, remaining letters we are filling here. How many places are there? 4 places. Except the letter X in the sense here, how many number of terms are there? Number of letters are there? 6. 6 letters are there, 4 places. How many ways we can fill up? 6p 4 ways. Is it clear? Right. 6p4 in the sense 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Means 4 in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4. 20, 5, 4, 20, 60, 360. Right. Look here. Contain the letter X, 480. Do not contain the letter X, 360. Once add this one, it's 14, 840. The total will be equal to 840. Previously, we explained one problem now. NPR is the LHS part. In the RHS, we divided into 2 parts, including the host, excluding the host. The combination will give the total number of arrangements. The same manner, these 2 will give us total number of arrangements. So like this, we can solve the problem. Take one more problem. Find the number of ways of arranging 5 boys and 4 girls in a row so that the row, the first condition, begins and ends with boys. Second condition, begins with a boy and ends with a girl. So how can we solve? Look at here now. Right. Total members, boys and girls, total students. 5 boys are there here plus 4 girls. So then n is equal to 5 plus 4, 9. If no condition is there, 9 members and 9 seats are there, we can fill up in 9 factorial ways. Okay. Here the question is directly not asking how many arrangements. He is asking 5 boys and 4 girls in a row so that the row begins and ends with the boys. So total how many persons are there? 9 persons. To sit, definitely we want 9 blank places, right? First we will take 9 blank places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here the condition is begins and end with the boys. The first place and the last place. Both places only reserved for boys, right? How many boys are there? 5 boys are there. 5 boys are there, only 2 places are there to arrange. In these 2 blank places, only 5 boys, only for the boys. So 5 boys are there, 2 places. First we will arrange these 2 places by using 5p2 ways. Right. 2 blank places and 5 boys are there, we arrange it in 5p2 ways. Now, remaining blank places, for the remaining blank places, there is no condition. Boys may sit or girls may sit. Okay, the condition is only for the first and the last place, right? Now, how many members are there? 2 members, boys are filled in the sense 3 boys are there and 4 girls, total 7 members. How many places are there? 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 places and 7 members. How many ways we can fill up? 7p7 ways. 7p7 is nothing but 7 factorial, and Pn is nothing but n factorial. 7p7 in the sense 7 factorial. Right. How many ways we can arrange? By fundamental principle, 5p2 into 7 factorial. So whenever the problem is like this, no need to solve. 5p2 means 5 into 4. It's enough. They will give the marks. Clear? Next, go for the second. What is this here? Begins with a boy, ends with a girl. Again same. Take 9 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places are there. The first place is reserved for boy. The last place is reserved for girl. Okay, the condition is fair only for the first and the last place. Okay, this place is reserved for boys. But how many boys are there? 5 boys. Only 1 place. How many ways we can fill up? 5p1 ways. Only 1 place is there for reserved girl. How many girls are there? 4 girls. How many ways we can fill up? 4p1 ways. One girl and one boy fill out of 9. So 7 members are there. Again 7 places. How many ways we can fill up? 7 factorial ways. Again fundamental principle. The first work can be performed in n ways. The second work can be performed in n ways. The third work can be performed in p ways. Then the total work simultaneously can be performed in m into n into p ways. According to that, 5p1 into 4p1 into 7 factorial. It's enough. Like this we can arrange.